we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Over the last 70 years, horses have been reclassified as a companion animals, included in the group with dogs, cats, exotics, etc. Farm animals include horses, cows, sheep, goats, deer, pigs. They were originally called this because they were found on farms. They are also called livestock.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.